This will blow your mind. Discover a supplement packed with all the essentials to turbocharge your brain health. Ready to find out more? Picture this, your brain, a complex powerhouse running 24/7. It needs a unique mix of nutrients to keep it sharp and efficient. That's where ImuRegen steps in. ImuRegen isn't just any supplement, it's a carefully crafted formula. Houses 5 nucleotides and 20 amino acids, essential for the DNA and RNA in your body's central dogma of biology. But wait, there's more. It also includes hundreds of peptides vital for synthesizing brain neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters are key players in enhancing your memory, boosting alertness and improving motor skills. So, whether you're a busy professional or simply looking to optimize your cognitive functions, ImuRegen could be it. Curious to learn more? Click the links in the description. Your brain will thank you.